anyone has died yet.
Let's hope it stays that way. John, thank you. More on this in a moment. To other matters. Facebook has failed to stop legal action over a picture of a naked 14-year-old girl that was posted on its site. Lawyers for the child argue the site is liable for a picture they say was blackmailed from her, then put on Facebook without her permission. It was posted repeatedly on a range of pages on Facebook, the case argues. The girl is taking legal action against Facebook, as well as against the man who posted the photo, and the case is thought to be the first in the world and could set a precedent about whether social media sites are liable for what is posted on them. Lawyers for the girl say Facebook should have blocked a shame page it was posted on. Facebook lawyers say the hearing should be dismissed because Facebook did what it could to take the photo down when it was notified it had been posted. Wow, this is a tough one. Yair Cohen is a solicitor specialising in social media law and joins me now. This would have major implications. What will, whoever sits on this case, what will determine which way they come out? Good morning.
Good morning, Nick. Well, considering each day there are about 4.5 billion posts being posted on Facebook and about 4.5 million images being posted there, it is unrealistic to expect Facebook to assess each and every post, each and every image.
But they are the publisher, aren't they, Mr. Cohen? They are the publisher.
I'm not going to let him go off the hook on this one, because what is inexcusable is the fact that about 3 years ago, Facebook decided that it will remove any human interaction with its users. So instead of having an email, having a telephone number where people like this young girl can get in touch and complain about issues that could be dealt with very, very quickly, they replaced that with a loop system, like a telephone system. You know, if you have a problem concerning an image, press 1. If you have a problem concerning that, press 2. And you can go on and on and on, like, you know, for about an hour. And eventually, it could take 24 to 48 hours for Facebook to do something about it, which could be quite critical, because some cases are absolutely terrible. And you have users who are waiting for days to have some sort of decision from Facebook, from a faceless, completely faceless organization. And what I think is going to happen at the end, this court will not succeed, but if Facebook doesn't get its act together, they're going to have government intervention at the end of this. And government will tell them, listen, this is not the sort of customer service we are willing to accept in this country, and we are expecting you to have to provide a minimum level of customer service and support, especially as many of your users are young people.
The potential for harm and menace is huge here, though, isn't it, Mr. Cohen? Because I'm not prone to this, but if you're in a relationship where you like to take intimate photographs of a partner and it breaks up and you suddenly shove the pictures up on Facebook, that's incredibly embarrassing for your ex, isn't it?
It's incredibly embarrassing. It is tremendously difficult for young people to deal with those situations. There is no one they can speak to. There is no email address. There is no a chat with someone on the other side of the line, or an alarm bell, or anything like that. And this is inexcusable. This is absolutely out of order. That Facebook is neglecting.
If I take a picture of my girlfriend stark naked as the day she was born, wearing nothing but a smile, whose copyright is that picture?
Well, the copyright will belong to you, Nick, because you took the picture. However, there is a new concept, a new European concept, which says that every person owns their own image. So no matter who took the image, the image itself, the face, the nose, the hair, whenever it is, belongs to the person in the image. So regardless of copyright, that individual subject of the image has a right to demand that image is removed, because it belongs to them. It reflects their face, their image, the complex.
Which way is this going to go, lastly, yeah?
Well, unfortunately, it is going to go not in favor of the young lady. However, I think you know, this case is very, very important to raise some awareness, and maybe we will start demanding a little bit more.
Maybe we will. Thanks for your time. Yeah, Cohen, solicitor specialising in social media law. Do you take cannabis? Cecilia in Stoke Newington. Do you, Cecilia? Hello.